Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these Halloween Holo Drips. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco One Coat Black, and then for the drips, I'm going to be using Purple Slushie, Orange Drink, and Green Taffy. I have a small plastic lid that I'll be using to put my polish out on, and I'm going to be doing 3 drips per nail, alternating the color order slightly between each nail. Once you're done with the drips, you can go back in and do some touch-ups if you want, using either the colors or the black. Once I'm done with any touch-ups, I'm going to go in and clean up around the cuticles with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. Did a lot of testing and debating between which colors to use, but I ended up going with these because they felt most Halloween without only being black and orange. I do want to give you a look at this under the flashlight because it's quite impressive. And if you are interested in seeing the other color combinations that were considered, the extended tutorial will be up here shortly on YouTube. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.